I feel very hungry now, and my stomach is empty.
It is dinner time, and we need a plan.
Can we eat at a restaurant tonight, please?
I want yummy food and sweet juice.
That sounds like a lovely family idea.
We can cook here or eat outside.
I prefer eating out. It feels special.
What food can we eat there?
Restaurants have many different food sections.
Yes, like starters, main dishes, and desserts. I really love desserts, not going to lie.
I like cake and ice cream.
First, we choose the type of food.
I feel excited to dress up.
Okay, let's go together now.
We walk inside and look around slowly.
The place feels calm and comfortable.
I like the music and soft lights.
I see many tables and chairs.
A waiter gives us friendly smiles.
He gives us menus to read.
There are pictures of tasty food.
I see soup on the menu.
Soup is a starter dish.
I think salad is fresh and healthy. I want crispy fries as a side.
Side dishes come with the main meal.
What is a meal?
The main meal is the big dish.
It gives us energy and strength.
I want grilled chicken with rice. I want pasta with cheese.
I choose fish with vegetables.
I will have beef with potatoes.
The drink section looks interesting.
I want apple juice, please.
I prefer water with lemon.
I will order hot tea.
I choose a cold soda.
Now we wait for food patiently.
Waiting can help us relax.
I feel hungry but excited. My tummy makes funny sounds.
Here comes the warm soup.
The soup smells very nice.
My fries look golden and crispy. The pasta looks soft and cheesy.
The fish looks fresh and bright.
The beef smells strong and tasty.
I taste my chicken slowly. The cheese tastes really good.
The vegetables are soft and sweet.
This meal feels balanced and healthy.
I feel happy and relaxed.
I am full and smiling.
Now let us check desserts.
Dessert is the sweet course.
I see chocolate cake here. I want big ice cream.
I choose fruit with cream.
I will share some cake.
The cake tastes rich and sweet.
My ice cream is cold.
This dessert makes me happy.
Sweet food should be small.
We leave the restaurant together.
I feel satisfied after dinner.
That dinner was really nice.
My stomach feels very full.
We talk about each dish.
The starter was light and warm.
The main dish was filling and tasty.
Dessert was my favorite part.
Eating together feels very special.
Good food brings family closer.